NEXUS broadcast servers are a third-generation platform. Unlike conventional solutions where you have to bolt on different pieces of equipment to reach a certain broadcast requirement, with NEXUS all the functionality is there, which results in an easy deployment and a flexible interface to your existing workflow.
Our clients have many varied requirements. Some of them are providing simple, straightforward video streams to air, and some have highly complex requirements where they've got multiple language subtitles, multiple audio tracks, different aspect ratios, a high graphics and branding requirement. What the PubliTronic's Cobalt NEXUS combination offers is the ability to get all of that within an integrated solution.
We've been using PubliTronic for almost a year now, and we started off with one channel, which was Nick Toonsters when it launched, and we started off gradually by incorporating more functionality as PubliTronic developed the system to meet our transmission needs. And over the course of the year, we've now moved all of Nickelodeon UK's channels onto PubliTronic transmission system. And the advantage of that is that we've got rid of all of the independent devices that were bolted on together from different suppliers. And we now have a single supplier handling the squeeze backs, all the complicated on-air graphics, the subtitling, the audio description, and the transmission of the channel itself.
So you have a lesser amount of systems you have to control, you have to maintain. So it's not only a cost saving, but it's also a saving in complexity.
For engineering purposes, it's simplified everything enormously. We're now dealing with a single company, which is fantastic.
The whole system setup is a lot simplified as well. You don't have cables running from the automation to the server, to the graphic generator, to the subtitle inserter. Everything is in one box. So any potential problems, you know where to look for them.
NEXUS playout systems integrate really well with the environment. There's so much functionality already on the box available that there's very little to integrate with real-time systems.
Integrating schedules and asset registration information into the PubliTronic Cobalt system was incredibly easy because of the open APIs, but also the innate simplicity of the system. Once users got used to it and got over the possibility of it being different technology, they found it very easy and friendly to get on with. The PubliTronic's NEXUS system can play out just about any codec that we can throw at it.
One of the other sort of business drivers for taking on PubliTronic is that there's a big financial saving. Rather than having to pay 5 different suppliers different license fees every year, we're now just paying one license fee for the use of PubliTronic.
Not only the upfront purchase price, but the total cost of ownership for us as a service provider is considerably reduced, and we're able to pass those savings back on to our customers.
PubliTronic is a compact system that runs just on a few NEXUS units. We save a lot of energy and space in the machine room. So engineers have been talking about building a gym or a jacuzzi in there.
The NEXUS playout systems offers a great cost saving, but this cost saving is basically only relevant when you meet the reliability and performance which are required by broadcasters.
Typically our clients require an SLA of 4 nines or above. With the PubliTronic's Cobalt and NEXUS system, we've found that this gives us a robust and strong solution to deliver that SLA.
And we got a completely redundant backup servers on every channel that is automatically synced to the main server. If we have any technical errors on the main system, we can switch, with one button switch, we switch over to the backup and everything should be fine. The support from PubliTronic is really good because they can dial in remotely from Holland. They don't have to come on site. They can look at every single NEXUS unit and look at the logs and find any errors that our engineers couldn't spot.
Almost for every installation, we deploy the same systems, the same hardware, the same automation system. And we tailor the configuration to a specific need for a customer.
Our client, BBC Worldwide, was looking to launch an HD service into Northern Europe. The time available to launch that service was short. The money that the client had to spend to provide that service was also in short supply, but the quality that they were looking for was high. It was very much a good team effort between the two companies, and it really meant that the initial service launch went very well, even though we were up against a relatively tight time scale.
We believe that in the future, integrated playout solutions will be chosen, not only because they're more cost efficient, but because of their nature. They're easier to deploy, more capable, and in the end will be more reliable than conventional playout solutions.
We need a good, simple, robust and reliable method and technology that we can deploy to satisfy our clients' needs going forward. PubliTronic has offered that. It's reliable, it's robust, it's simple to deploy, and it certainly forms one of the strategies that RedBee will deploy going forward.
It's an opportunity for advancement, not just for changing an element within the broadcasting system.
Although we have deployed many interesting channels over the last decade, the thing PubliTronic is the most proud of is the relationships we have built in that time with our customers. We're using innovative technology, and making it work together with our customers is a fantastic achievement.
And we've worked with them over a year to get the functionality of the software to where we want it to be. And they've been really good at listening, doing the developments we require, and now we've got a very good transmission device, and they've been a good partner to work with.